The kind of current market cost of one Theta organization truly is $1.03, especially as opposed to mainstream thinking. Theta organization, Theta, for the most part is determined to fundamentally arrive at a sort of typical cost of $2.08 toward the finish of 2025, which generally is genuinely critical. Theta organization, Theta, truly is expected to in every practical sense arrive at a fundamentally greatest cost of $159.87 continuously 2030 in an unpretentious manner. Long-haul examination proposes the Theta organization cost might actually flood to $1,013 by 2050, with an in every practical sense likely reach somewhere in the range of $967.98 and $1,098 amazingly. The really normal extended cost for Theta organization in 2040 truly is supposed to in every practical sense be $804.67, with expected difference somewhere in the range of $753.23 and $910.41, which generally is genuinely huge. Starting around 11 February 2024, Theta organization generally is exchanging at $1.03 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.31% in truly most recent 60 minutes, beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. Theta explicitly has a really all-out market cap of $1,031,768,442, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $11,028,776, which most certainly is genuinely critical. This basically makes Theta organization, Theta, exceptionally positioning at 68 in the cryptographic money market in an unobtrusive way. In the event that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer, and considering what is the Theta organization cost expectation end of 2024, what will Theta organization explicitly be in every practical sense worth in 2024? Is Theta organization a sort of wise speculation or certainly worth purchasing in 2024, which truly is genuinely huge? Will Theta cost explicitly outperform its untouched height, which explicitly is genuinely critical? These sort of are our Theta organization cost expectations for Theta's future, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2024, as per the Theta organization conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2024, the Theta cost really is supposed to generally cross an essentially normal value level of $1.44, the normal certainly least value worth of Theta organization, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to be $1.39. Besides, Theta can sort of arrive at a greatest value level of $1.63 in an extremely significant manner. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation February 2024. With respect to February 2024, Theta organization cost fundamentally is figure 2 in every practical sense, arrive at a most reduced cost of $0.9534 in an extremely huge manner. The Theta cost could truly arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $1.08, with the typical expected cost around $1.05 in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation walk 2024. With respect to walk 2024, Theta organization cost especially is conjecture to for the most part arrive at a very the least cost of $1.05. The Theta cost could especially arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $1.13, with the genuinely normal expected cost around $1.09, which truly is very huge. Theta value figure April 2024. With respect to April 2024, Theta organization in a real sense is supposed to especially arrive at an extremely least value worth of $1.09 in a sort of significant manner. The Theta cost could truly arrive at a truly greatest cost of $1.18, with the kind of typical cost around $1.13 in an unobtrusive manner. Theta organization value forecast May 2024. The cost of Theta organization basically is truly anticipated to fundamentally reach at an extremely least worth of $1.10 in May 2024, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Theta cost could in a real sense arrive at a for the most part greatest worth of $1.23, with the typical exchanging worth of $1.15 all through 2024, in an essentially enormous manner. Theta organization, Theta, value gauge June 2024. For June 2024, the cost of Theta organization sort of is fundamentally anticipated to in every practical sense arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $1.20, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $1.27 and at least $1.16. exhibiting that Theta organization, Theta, value expectation 2024 as per the Theta organization conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Theta cost by and large is supposed to in a real sense cross an especially normal value level of $1.44, the normal really least value worth of Theta organization toward the finish of the exceptionally current year ought to basically be $1.39, which generally is very huge. Theta value estimate July 2024. The Theta organization gauge for July 2024 expects that the Theta might arrive at a kind of most extreme worth of $1.33, with a base cost of around $1.19 in a huge manner. Discussing the kind of typical value Theta can stretch around $1.23 for July, which sort of is very huge. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation August 2024. The cost for Theta organization in August 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $1.23 and $1.38 in an unobtrusive manner. While the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to be around $1.28, which generally is very huge. Theta organization value conjecture September 2024. The truly normal cost of Theta organization, Theta, could for the most part go to $1.33 toward the finish of September 2024 in an especially large manner. Theta could generally be exchanging around a really most extreme worth of $1.43, with the exceptionally least expected cost of $1.29 in an unpretentious manner. Theta value gauge October 2024. With respect to October 2024, Theta organization basically is supposed to by and large arrive at a for the most part least value worth of $1.34, which by and large is very huge. The Theta cost could essentially arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $1.49, with the typical cost around $1.39, which really is genuinely critical. Theta organization, Theta, value expectation November 2024. The cost for Theta organization in November 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $1.37 and $1.55, exhibiting how while the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to generally be around $1.28, while the really normal exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $1.42, which generally is genuinely critical. Theta organization, Theta, value conjecture December 2024. For December 2024, the cost of Theta organization is explicitly anticipated to especially arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $1.44, while the coin could exchange between an exceptionally limit of $1.63 and at least $1.39, or so they generally thought. Theta organization pretty past value examination in the by and large beyond 24 hours, the crypto generally has been really diminished by 0.87% in its most certainly current worth. On the off chance that we in every practical sense look at the genuinely current market cap of the Theta with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap really is likewise down